What's going on? Here's my little clay frickin' forge here. Frickin' look good, don't it? See that stuff right there? Made some slip, and I filled in all the cracks. I'm gonna have to fire it again, and you know, see how it turns out. It's looking really freaking good, I'll tell you that. Yep, so I take my bushcrafting really serious, buddy. Like, I really put in the work, man, to learn it, and I really do it hands-on, get your hands dirty. Let me see if I got the dirt still in my nails. See that? Let me see. Had to eat a sandwich real quick, though. Yeah, man. You know, yeah, man. It's fun, and it's rewarding, and it's enriching and all that. You know what I'm saying? All right, buddy. Peace.